don't have a phone addiction. Your phone has a your addiction. You wake up, check it. You're bored, check it. You're studying, check it. You're literally holding the phone while watching a video about how to stop using your phone. Bro. But here's the interesting part. You don't need to throw your phone into a river. You don't need a 30-day dopamine detox. And you definitely don't need to become guts and fight your smartphone with a giant sword. Give me 24 hours. Because we're not trying to destroy your phone. We're destroying the automatic behavior that makes you reach for it. The real problem. Think like L. Every time you unlock your phone, ask, what exactly was I looking for? Because most of the time, you weren't looking for anything. Your brain simply learned boredom, phone, awkward moment, phone, stress, phone, notification, phone. That's a habit loop. So today, we're going after the loop, not the device. Rule 1, make the phone boring. Right now, turn on grayscale. Disable every non-essential notifications, remove social media from your home screen, and log out of the apps you compulsively open. Why? Because you're removing the little triggers that keep pulling your attention back. A randomized intervention found that simple strategies like disabling unnecessary notifications and using grayscale can reduce problematic smartphone use and screen time. Rule number 2, don't rely on willpower. Tyler Durden wouldn't negotiate with the temptation, he'd remove the damn temptation. So, phone outside the bedroom, phone outside your study area, and when you're working, put it somewhere you physically have to stand up to reach. Your goal isn't, I will resist my phone. Your goal is, I won't see my phone. Rule 3, replace the habit. And here's where most people fail. They remove the phone, but leave a giant hole where the phone used to be. So every time you want to scroll, replace it. Walk, read, train, talk to someone, or simply sit there and experience 5 minutes of being bored. Yes, boredom, the ancient technology. The 24-hour challenge. Here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, no social media before noon, no phone in bed, no notifications except the essentials. And every time you unlock your phone, say what you're unlocking it for. If you don't have an answer, lock it. You're not trying to become someone who never uses a phone. You're becoming someone who chooses when to use one. That's control. And if you want to fix more than your screen time, watch how to fix your entire life in one day. Your phone isn't the enemy. Automatic behavior is. Now put the phone down and prove it.